Hey guys, so a few weeks ago I did a video talking about how I was selling my clothes because I realized that I had way too many and I needed to get rid of some clothes, so I was going to sell them on Poshmark. And I told a story about how my shelf completely fell off the wall. All that fun stuff. I thought I would do kind of like a second video talking to you about how to sell your own clothes, you know, make some extra money, like with stuff that's around your house. Your mom's clothes, your dad's clothes, your brother's clothes, your friend's clothes. Just kidding, don't take your friend's clothes. Unless they give them to you, then you can just sell them, you feel me? So far on Poshmark, I've made about $2,000, I think. Let me see. I'm gonna give you the exact stat. $2,201 so far. Something that's really cool that I've always loved about Poshmark is you don't have to have followers to even sell anything. As long as you're sharing your clothes, people can come across your clothes, and if they like it, then they'll buy it. So with that being said, in order to really catch the attention to sell your piece, because there's millions of things being sold probably by the minute on Poshmark. So you really want to make sure that your description and everything is like pretty perfect. So I actually have an example of what I would do. So I'm going through my closet and I find this shirt. This is I'm Not Your Babe shirt. And so I remember that I purchased this online. Things sell a lot easier when there's like the cover photo. So I'll type in the brand and I'll type in Not Your Babe top. So as you can see, all these images pulled up. Depending on the clothes that you're choosing, it might not be as easy as this one. A lot of clothes that I sell, I'll like have to look and just search like so many times until I find like the cover photo. And it just so happened that they still had the link from Dolls Kill from when I bought the shirt. You can see what the original price is. So once you saved all the photos, you go to Poshmark. I actually already have the listing up, but you know, I have the cover photos, I have a few more photos, and then I have the actual picture of the shirts. I feel like you should post pictures of the clothes, and then if there's like anything on it, like a rip or something, and you think you can still sell it, obviously you want to take a picture of that. I also wanted to include the screenshot of the picture on Dolls Kill so they could actually see the price. It was 50 bucks, give it half off, 25. Like, that's a good deal. If someone orders something and they get it, they also will rate you, so you want to keep your closet close to 5 stars. So yeah, definitely that's one of my biggest tips, is to just, you know, find that cover photo just so people will be more interested and to click on the photo. Just make your photos very good, and if you can't find the photo for that piece of clothing, that's totally fine. I have some pieces where I'll just take the photo myself, but I want to clean it up and make sure that it's still presentable. Another thing that I want to talk about is there's a section of like your sales, your balance, your Posh tools, and your Posh stat. You can see like what your listings are worth. So I have 133 available listings, which are worth, like, all of those together add up to like 5,000 something. So like if I were to sell everything in my closet today, I would get $5,000. So you can see how much your stuff is worth. Not everything is guaranteed to sell, but still. You can also become a Posh ambassador, which I'm not yet. They have like a list of what you need to do in order to become a Posh ambassador. So I'm getting down, like I'm super close because I'm really fast with shipping now. But if you stay in the lines of this list, you can become a Posh ambassador, which I believe is people, like when people get onto the app, like your account will come up like for people to like follow you. Younger Dani kind of screwed me over in that part, but I'm close, I'm getting closer. As for the last thing that's very, very important is sharing. For people to find your clothes, you obviously have to share. They have parties, you can share the listings into parties, so when people come to shop, obviously like they'll come across your piece and be like, oh, that's cute, I'ma buy it. So sharing is very important. The more you share, the more love you're gonna get back. Not only personal shares, but sharing other people's clothing. So something that I like to do is I'll think of like brands that I have in my closet, and I'll type in, like, I'll search Topshop or Joyrich or Unif or Dolls Kills, like in the search, and I'll go and I'll share others stuff. And I actually found that sharing other people's or following a bunch of like other people that are interested in the same stuff as you definitely generate a lot more sales, because whether they buy your pieces or whoever's following them, you know, obviously are interested in their style, which might be similar to your style, so their followers might like you too. I know that's like a lot of information. I really wanted to make a video to help you guys and give you guys some tips and advice, because, you know, $2,000 I think is pretty good. Like, just stuff that's sitting in your closet. I just really enjoy Poshmark, and there's also like a boutique section, so you know, maybe one day when I can make a little bit more money and maybe like fund my own boutique clothing is something definitely that I would be interested in. Or, you know, it's just definitely something that has been inspiring me to get into more fashion, you know, not only selling my clothing from my closet, but it's been like inspiring me to, you know, maybe this is something that I actually want to do, like as a career, like make my own clothing line or websites. I think it would be really fun to like design and stuff, and I'm just kind of just getting started again, so I kind of wanted to come to you guys and get you guys inspired too to start making that money. If you guys want to check out my closet is at daniofficiall with 2 L's, just like my Instagram. If you guys comment like on one of my posts on my Poshmark, I will definitely follow you guys back. Just be like, oh, I'm from the video. I will follow you. Maybe I'll share some of your stuff and help you guys, you know, generate some sales. Maybe that'll be cool if I could, like, you know, be like a little push for you guys or help you guys. Like, this is literally just like a video I was thinking about making just for you guys. So hopefully it was helpful, but yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links. It will all be listed down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!